So I've got my sword, it's been hardened, and now I'm going to be heat treating in the coals. What I want to do is I want to stack coals up around it and keep it moving and wait to see the colour change. Now I'm aiming for blue, or yeah, blue. Now for knives and stuff, people typically aim for straw, so sort of a golden colour, but because this is a sword and I want more durability, I'm going for blue, because edge retention is not as important as it not breaking. And there are some antique sabres that still have a blue finish, the blue tint, so people would glue it, get it to a blue temper and leave it that colour automatically. So there is some historical precedence. Just going to keep it moving, try and heat it up. But it's all nice and polished, so I should be able to see the colours then. Yeah, we're definitely into the straw range. Yep. Into dark straw. Yeah, I think you get the idea. We're aiming for the blue. And so I'll do this and I'll sandpaper it back to polished steel, and I'll do it again at least 3 times. Three times to make sure I get a more thorough temper and a more even temper. And this is after round 1 of hand tempering. It's nice straw gold mixed with purple. Need to get a bit more consistent, but this is the first pass. Every part of that is at least straw. There's blue, there's bits of purple in there, but yeah, we're aiming for blue. That side. This side's got a bit more gold on it. Yep. So I'll polish this back and we will try again. And we will temper it again. Try and get more blue through the top half. I know with a lot of people go with a straw colour. I'm going more of a blue just for added durability. So now that I have ran it through to blue 3 times. You run it, you heat it until it turns blue, sandpaper it back, then repeat. I've done that, so I've made it blue 3 times, so it should be fully tempered. I'll put an edge on this, and we'll see if it survives cutting a water bottle. We know it can take a hit. Cut. Well, can handle the impact. Looks like I'm going to be up for quite a while with sharpening stones. Well, can take an impact, but I'm going to have to sharpen it more. A lot more. Well, it's sharp. Not quite shaving. Well, some of it's shaving sharp. No, it's not. No. So, I was very worried that I might have over tempered it and made it a bit too soft, but well, if I able to do that, I guess it's sharp enough and flexible enough to not break, because we've seen it smash into this blunt and not break, so I'm very happy with the temper. Alright. Nice and sharp. Holding up alright. Alright, we've seen it bounce when it was blunt, or we'll see it just wallop bottles when I've had bad edge alignment. So it seems nice and durable, and it's able to be made very sharp. Still might have to work on some parts of it. Rusts beautifully. But yeah, I was very worried that I might have over tempered the blade and made it a bit too soft to take an edge, but after putting the time into getting a nice sharp edge on it, it is cutting wonderfully as long as I get my edge alignment correct. So yeah, I'd call this a success. So next I'm going to have to work on my hilt. Have not entirely decided on what kind of pommel I want. I think I might have to do the hilt in 2 halves, cord wrapped and then leather wrapped, all glued together. I'm going to have to grind and true up the bottom of the blade where it transitions to the hilt, so that the crossguard can go on nicely. And yeah, see you next time.